Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus showing a generic something went wrong message with no real explanation of what's actually broken? Here's the fix. This vague message almost always points to an internet connectivity issue rather than a specific app bug. First, open a browser and run a quick speed test to confirm that your connection meets Disney Plus minimum 5.0 Mbps since an unstable or too slow connection is the most common cause of this exact error. If your speed test looks fine, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. After that, turn it back off to reset your connection. Force close Disney Plus app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it on that reset connection. If the error still shows, restart your router by unplugging it for a few full minutes. Plug it back in and waiting for the connection to fully stabilize before reopening Disney Plus. If it proceeds across networks, then check a third-party outage tracker like Down Detector to rule out a problem on Disney's end. So all you've got to do is run a speed test, reset your connection, restart your router, and check for an outage. The something went wrong error clears, and that's it. Subscribe.